Yo, how's everybody doing? Good morning, grand rising, get money. Looks like we're about to hop onto a trade very soon. What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? All right. So, before we even get into any trade or anything,
how's everybody doing?
Give me 1 second.
Good
I'll lower my
morning.
volume.
Grand rising.
Before we get into any trade or anything, I'm gonna first do a top-down analysis first. Also go over the news. But this is our range, and we do look like we're about to catch a breakout off of 2038. Now, if we do get a candle closure in the next 5 minutes, the 15-minute time frame, above this area of 2040, then we will be going into those buys. But I want to first explain to you guys why I'm going into those buys, or why I believe we're gonna get that breakout. Now, of course, buys above 2040 will be effective because, of course, it's the top of the range. Sells below 2030 will be effective if we break below that range. But again, price is pretty much very bullish right now, so I don't think that play is gonna play out this morning. I think the market will be more bullish and bearish. Market is also above both SMAs, and does look like we're about to catch a bullish breakout. So in the next 5 minutes, I'll let you guys know if we do decide to enter this trade or not. But let's first do a top-down analysis. Weekly time frame. We could anticipate that we're kind of playing like if we're forming a little small downtrend, but again, we respected these highs down here as this previous resistance is now support. So I believe, like I told you guys last week, if we remain above this area, we are still in a bullish market, not a bearish market 100%. I consider a bearish market if we finally break below these previous high or this previous support to continue pushing down. Then that's when we're going to be diving into a bearish gold territory. Right now, we're still in that bullish area. Last week we were bearish. The week before we were bearish. Now this week it does look like we're pushing back up, but again, it could just be a retracement or a pullback to continue pushing down in the following week. Pretty indecisive from the weekly time frame. Daily time frame, we are bullish. We got a bullish breakout above these previous highs. Bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle. The past 3 days has been bullish. So on the daily time frame, we do look like we are bullish. That's one confirmation to go into the buys off of our bias this morning. 4 hour time frame also looks bullish since we broke previous highs, and price also above SMA. So out of the daily and 4 hour time frame, I would rather get into buys, since obviously we can see that the market is tending to be more bullish than bearish, right? Our probabilities of winning a trade will be higher if we take buys because we'll be going with the trend, right? So, I'm looking to take buys, obviously, on the daily 4 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, you're currently trying to break above this range. So, it does look like we might fly up. 30-minute, I'm going to stay in the 30-minute time frame, but above 2040 is where I'm looking to take buys. I don't want to miss out on this trade, guys. Come on. But yeah, above this area, I am looking to buy. Remember, I'm not taking any impulse entries. If we miss out, we miss out. Simple as that. But I do want to go into the buys here. Anywhere around 2040, 2041. If it closes at 2042, that's too high up already. That's 20 plus pips. I don't want to go into that. But if we do close at 2041, okay, we're only about a few pips late, but we still could enter, since the target level will technically be 2048, 2047, and that's about 80, 100 plus pips from entry. So let's see how the market does this morning on gold. Do we have any news events? Let's see if we have any news events. Give me 1 second. Forex factory. January 31st, 8:30 a.m. We got GDP, non-farm employment change. Is that today? Yeah, it is today. Okay, ADP, non-farm employment change, GDP, employment cost index. Okay, so we do have 3 red high impact news. The A15 one already passed. Didn't really create too much volatility in the markets. This Canadian one, GDP, shouldn't really impact gold too much. This employment cost index shouldn't really impact too much, but it is a high impact news. And then at 2 p.m. we do have FOMC. Now that shouldn't impact our trading this morning. That's only going to impact our trading at 2 p.m. I might send out signals in my VIP signal room at that time. Obviously at that time I'm not live streaming for free on YouTube, but you know I am trading in the VIP signal room since that is a 24/7 thing. So yeah, we just have this one right here. Let's see what the dollar or the DXY is currently doing, since you know we do have two high impact news playing out right now. DXY 30-minute time frame. Oof, we're very bearish. That means that I think gold will fly today, guys. So get ready to catch some profits. Important key level right here on DXY. It's this one right here. Give me 1 second. Breakout candle below this level on the 30 or 50-minute time frame on the DXY will basically kind of make gold push up, since DXY and XAUUSD or gold are inverse correlating pairs. So you know, gold does the opposite of what the DXY does 80 to 90% of the time. So if the DXY looks like it's pushing down, gold is more than likely going to be pushing up. They are inverse correlating pairs. All right, pushing back down, great. 15-minute count is about to close. Boom, going into a trade, guys. My entry will be 2040 800. Going into the trade, stop loss 20. Just put our stop loss at 2037. Going into a trade, guys. My entry will be 2040 800. 2040 100 was my entry. Stop loss. Quick morning. Alright, guys. I'm in the trade. 2043 is our TP1. Give me 1 sec, guys. She's moving super quick this morning. I'm in the trade, guys. We're buying. I just don't want to miss out on this trade. Entry point was 2040. TP1 2040. So we're already at 2042. So let's make it a 30 pip TP. 2043. TP2. We can make it at 2046. And TP3 for a 1 to 3 could be 2049. Stop loss 2037. Risk accordingly, guys. I'm in the trade and we're about to hit TP. We're about 15 pips in profit. We're about 12 pips in profit, guys. I mean, 21 pips in profit. Let me know, chat, if you guys were able to enter this trade. I know it was super quick, but again, that's why I had to do the top-down analysis quick and, you know, send out the trade idea. I just didn't want to miss out on this trade. You know, it was a perfect, beautiful setup. Perfect candle closure. Looked very bullish in all the other time frames, and then also the DXY looked very bearish. So looked like a beautiful trade idea. We're 22 pips in profit, guys. I'll let you guys know when to move stops to break even. Don't think we'll have to do that yet. You guys also help us out by putting a thumbs up on the YouTube video so we can pop up in the algorithm. We're about 20 pips in profit, guys. Let me know in the chat, guys, if you're able to enter this trade. Was in this before I joined that 2040 fire breakout. Get the likes going. Let's go, let's go. Beautiful. Good morning. I entered based on my analysis since your live is about 20 seconds delayed. Glad I got it right though. Hello. Yeah. Great, great. Amazing. Yeah, so we entered on the buys. We are good, guys. Usually my trades are TP1 20 pips and stop losses 20 pips as well, like a 1-to-1 for scalps. Reason why we decided to put TP1s and stop losses 30 pips this time is because obviously the market is moving too quick, and if I were to do like what I usually do, which is 20 pips, we would have either entered late, would have entered at almost TP, and you guys probably would have missed the trade with the delays that the live streams have. So this time I decided to expand it a little bit more to 30 pips, just so we can have more room to breathe. Also, the market is just going way too quick. So I think 30 pips is fine. 30 pips is good. But, you know, if we would have been following our other rules where 20 pips is our TP1, we would have been hit TP, guys. What's good? I'm late. What's good? I'm late. Yeah, you can still enter around 2041. Since TPs are 30 pips, you can still enter around 2041, so that by the time it hits TP1 at 2043, you're already up securing 20 pips. Entered at 2041.08, 2041, and yo, how many entries did you take? Be careful. Remember, risk accordingly and use proper risk management. We hit 2042 again, guys. This move stops to break even, where we'll be basically up 20 plus pips. We're currently up 15 pips right now. We got 28 viewers in the live stream. Let's go. Kind of pushing back down. I don't like that. But I'm not worried. You know, I literally have all my confirmations on this trade, so I'm not worried at all. And again, if we do lose a trade, we lose a trade. Simple. You know, that's why we only risk 1 or 2%. And that's all we're losing. You know, we'll just come back in the next trade or tomorrow, right? That's how trading is. We're 15 pips in profit. We're about 17 pips in profit. So here's some partials, guys. Since we are pretty much playing in that profit zone right now. 18 pips in profit, 19 pips, 20 pips. Moose stops to break even, guys. Risk-free trade. Officially a winner. Now we just gotta hit TP. We're 10 pips away from hitting our TP. Is the Discord gonna happen today? Yes, sir. For the VIP students, we're gonna hop on the Discord for the first time this morning, so just be ready for that as well. I'm gonna be announcing it on both chats, the Telegram and the Discord. Everything is already set up for the Discord, so we're gonna try it out this morning as well. You know, the video call, and I want to have it set up as well so that you guys on the VIP signal room can also hop on Discord. We can also hop on Discord all together for the live streams, and you guys can communicate with me and talk while I'm doing the live stream. So that would be pretty cool. We're up 23 pips in profit, guys. Stops break even, risk free trade. You guys should have basically already. There's no reason for you guys to lose this trade. And we did come back to 2041 around that area, so you know, no excuses for you guys missing out on this trade. You know, beautiful TP1 just got hit, guys. 30 plus pips secured. Wow, what a great trade. Literally no drawdown, nothing. You know, straight into profits. Drop some W's in the chat, guys, if you're able to catch this trade. And I love it when it's mornings like this where I just start the live stream, do my analysis, and within 5-10 minutes, you know, we're already into a trade. Next 5-10 minutes, we hit TPs. I love days like this. Drop W's in the chat, guys, if you made money with us this morning. Let's go. I'm excited. How often will you be doing the Discord calls? Once a week on Wednesdays. Big W's in the chat. Let's go. So my signal room, I drop signals every day. I drop like 1 to 2 VIP signals every morning. And I do the weekly Zoom call on Sundays. And then now I'm starting to do the weekly Zoom calls on Wednesdays with all the students. W's in the chat. W's up 6%. Let's go. You're almost done with that challenge if you're in a challenge account. wwws. Let's go. www.takeprofitacademy.com. But let's go, guys. 30 plus pips secured in this trade. And super successful morning. You know, super quick. You were able to make some money. TP2 is 2046. Do you think we'll make it a 2046 during the live stream? Probably. You know, we do have a lot of volatility this morning. And it does look like, you know, potentially we could reach there. I do believe long term we could reach there. I just don't know if during the live stream we will reach that area. But, you know, our final target zone is up here, 2049. Super possible, you know, especially since the DXY is that bearish. Now, that's the 30-minute DXY. You know, if it does close down there, next 3 minutes we have the 30-minute candle closure, we're gonna continue flying up on gold. So yeah, it does seem like a very nice trade. Let's go. Amazing morning, guys. Drop some thumbs up, guys. Like the stream if you guys made money and you guys are enjoying the live streams. We'll be on the live stream, guys, for another 30 minutes, obviously, since we pretty much just started the live stream. But it's been going really good for us this morning, so. If you guys have any questions on how I trade or something you guys want to know about my strategy, you know, let me know in the chat. And then I'll be eager to help you guys out and teach you guys a thing or two. "30-minute candle closure in 1 minute. Let's see how this candle closes. Tú eres cubano, bro. Yes, sir. I'm a Cuban Spaniard. I was born in Miami. I was born here in the US. That's why my English is so good, and I speak English on a daily. But I can also speak Spanish as well because my family is Hispanic. My family is Cuban and Spaniard. So yeah, that's why I speak both languages perfectly fine, and I can do content and educate in both languages, right? Even though my main language is English, since I was born here, and when I was in school, all my friends, everybody used to speak English with me, so I'm used to the English more than Spanish, but I can also speak Spanish very, very fluently and really good too as well. Candle closure 30-minute, perfectly perfect. XAUSD 30-minute candle closure also closed very nice. So we should be continuing to push up. We're having a minor pullback. It's all good, but it does look like we are going to continue flying since we got two breakouts. We finally got the 30-minute candle breakout, but prior to the 30-minute candle, we did get a 15-minute candle breakout and another continuation for that 15 minutes. So, we're bullish, guys. No reason to look for sells. We won 30 plus pips, and if you're holding the trade, you can continue to hold. Just remember to move your stops to break even so that you're not risking anything. Also, guys, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but on my Instagram and TikTok accounts, I am doing a lot of more Spanish content as well. I'm gonna remain doing the live streams in English, of course. I don't think I can do the live streams in Spanish right now. I gotta practice my Spanish a little bit more, but the live streams on English are perfect, right? Hopefully you guys in the Spanish community can understand what I'm saying. I can say a thing or two in Spanish for the live streams, like when I'm entering the trades, when not. But the shorts that I upload on YouTube and the live streams will continue to be in English unless I let you guys know, and I'll probably just open up another YouTube channel in Spanish for the Spanish community. But my Instagram and TikTok content, where is in person, I am gonna be uploading a lot more Spanish content for you guys there. So I want to reach out to the Spanish community, help you guys out, because I don't see any other Forex trader in the Spanish community that does it this way, right? Like breakout trading, live trading. I honestly don't see it, right? I feel like the Spanish community is smaller when it comes to the education and mentors, but it's also bigger than the English community when it comes to students. So it's perfect for me to be able to teach you guys, right? Since you guys don't really have any mentor to really look up to that trades the way I trade, right? So I definitely want to add more value and help you guys out in Spanish. Hopefully my Spanish speakers also understood what I said there, so I don't have to, say it again. But yeah, guys, big W's in the chat, super successful live stream. We didn't go live yesterday since I did get busy at that time. I had to do some things exactly at 8:30 where I wasn't home, so obviously I couldn't do the live stream. But we came back and we made up for yesterday's no live stream, right? Once this candle flips bullish, I do believe we can continue flying up. That person that said that they made 6%, I would close at least half of that position so that you can secure 3%, which is already really good. and then let the other half play out. If you didn't close already. I mean, 6% for the day is really good. That's what you should make like in a week or two, right? So you made it in a day, you know, I would finish trade. Like I wouldn't trade anymore. I would stop trading right there for the day. And then tomorrow also kind of get a day off. You guys want me to look at any other pair, or you guys are already good with this gold trade? I mean, we pretty much caught 30 plus pips, so there's really no reason to even trade anymore, right? I'm just gonna stay on the live stream to answer your questions, and then see if, you know, we hit TP2 or TP3 during the live stream, right? But doesn't look like we're gonna call out another trade. What the DXY might do is, you know, it's gonna have a pullback retracement to this prior support that it broke through. Now it's gonna play out as a resistance. It's gonna tap into it more than likely, and then it's gonna continue pushing down to target this level down here, which is one of the target zones for the DXY. DXY hasn't touched it, so that's probably what it's gonna do. But of course, for it to touch that level, it needs momentum and it needs liquidity. Where is the liquidity? It's up here at this prior key level that we broke through, right? So it's gonna basically fly a little bit back up, tap into that level to continue pushing down. Well, then it can grab the liquidity from this target zone down here. That's what's more than likely gonna happen with DXY. Of course, during this little phase of the dollar pushing up, that's where we might see this going on with gold, where it's kind of pushing down a little bit, but then once the DXY goes to push down again. Damn, I keep stuttering. You know, gold will continue to fly up. Empecé a seguirte ayer porque te vi en una historia de Julio. Estoy conociendo este mundo recién. Saludos desde aquí de Miami, bro. Gracias, gracias. Sí, hablo español. Soy cubano español. Pero nací aquí en Miami, nací en los Estados Unidos. So, mi idioma principal es el inglés. Y desde chiquito en la escuela y todo hablaba inglés más que español, pero soy bien fluente y hablo bien el español. Pero los live streams estos en vivo que hago en YouTube y el canal mío de Telegram y Discord son en inglés, pero más adelante voy a implementar un poco más de contenido en español de educación. Pero las historias mías en Instagram y el contenido que yo posteaba en Instagram y en TikTok van a ser en español, porque, como te estoy diciendo, quiero practicar más el español y hacer más contenido en español. Pero por ahora los live streams y los shorts de YouTube y todos los videos míos educacional van a ser en inglés por ahora, hasta que mi español mejore y también la comunidad de nosotros en español crezca. Porque por ahora la mayoría son de hablar inglés, pero también tengo muchos estudiantes que hablan español. So quiero ayudar a las dos comunidades. ¿Cómo puedo hacer eso? Bueno, poniendo contenido de los dos idiomas. Pero gracias por el apoyo y gracias por estar en el live stream, bro. Pienso que la comunidad latina es una comunidad bien grande, donde no hay muchos mentores ni muchos traders en cual ustedes puedan aprender. Y ahí es donde entro yo y pienso que ustedes pueden aprender de mí, una persona que con 21 años ha podido lograr todo este éxito en solamente 4 o 5 años. Si yo lo pude lograr, creo que ustedes lo pueden lograr, y ustedes no tienen todavía ese mentor o esa persona en cual puedan seguir. Y también hay muchos estudiantes y muchas personas que quieren aprender en la comunidad latina, pero no tienen de quién aprender. Por eso quiero ayudarles también y empezar a aportar más valor para la comunidad. And you see, the chat just gets flooded in Spanish when I speak Spanish. Mi brother, ¿en qué está basada tu estrategia? Así como para saber por encimita. Ok, bro, gracias, estaré al tanto. Yo no hablo inglés, pero trato de entender algo. Así es, bro, siempre tienes que tratar de aprender. Cuando no sabes, trata de aprender. Yo cuando empecé a hacer trading no sabía mucho de trading, pero fue la perseverancia la que me llevó al éxito. So, tienes que seguir tratando de aprender. Mi brother, ¿en qué te ha pasado tu estrategia? Mi estrategia es una estrategia que yo mismo creé, porque si te fijas, todos los traders exitosos tradean de una forma diferente. Yo no conozco ningún trader exitoso que tradee igual que otro trader exitoso. Todo el mundo ha podido crear su propia estrategia a través de las experiencias y a través de todo lo que ellos han visto en el mercado. Pero mi estrategia se basa en breakouts, o cuando la vela quiebra un nivel de resistencia o un nivel de soporte, y ahí es cuando entramos nosotros en los breakouts. Pero obviamente la estrategia tiene más que eso, pero ese es uno de los principios principales de la estrategia mía. What's up, bro? Good morning, everyone. Like up the stream. Let's go, let's go. Like up the stream. Pero sí, mi estrategia es una estrategia diferente que yo mismo creé con la experiencia que yo pasé en el mercado a través de los 5 años. Y como le digo a la comunidad mía en inglés, yo no aprendí de nadie, yo fui mi propio mentor. Las pérdidas que tuve yo mis primeros años en el mercado fueron mis lecciones y fueron como yo aprendí. Y ahí me encerré y empecé a dedicarme 100% al mercado sin ninguna distracción. It's going up. Yes, sir. We're up 30 plus pips, about 35 pips right now. Estamos ahora 30 pips en ganancias. Pero yo nunca tuve mentor, porque igual que ustedes no tenían mentor en la comunidad hispana, yo empecé 5 años atrás en la comunidad inglés, donde también 5 años atrás la comunidad inglés estaba empezando. No tenían tantos mentores, no habían tantos influencers en YouTube, no habían cursos, no habían compañía de fondeo. So, tuve que aprender solo, ¿entiendes? Y creo que ahí es donde está la comunidad hispana ahora mismo, donde no hay tantos recursos, no hay tantos mentores y no hay tantas oportunidades para que ustedes puedan aprender. So, quiero ayudarlos. So, let's get to 20 likes. We have 30 people in here. Everyone hit that like. Let's go, let's go. Appreciate you, Adrian. Adrian, I'm gonna make you moderator, bro. You deserve it. You've been in the live streams, I think, every single live stream. So, my bro, I'm gonna make you moderator. And, you can take control of the chat, bro. I just made you a moderator, bro. You see? Consistency in the live streams will get you to become a moderator. We have two. We have Adrian and we have there's another person here. Ooh, we're flying up, guys. We're 35 pips in profit. If you guys want to be a moderator in the future, all you gotta do is tune in consistently into the live streams and interact with us, right? That's all you gotta do to become a moderator. We're about 40 pips almost in profits. And there's something going on outside, which is very loud. Hopefully you guys don't hear that. Do you guys hear that noise in the background? Super loud in my end. I don't think you guys can hear it. Jesus, it's so loud. Let me know if you guys can hear that noise in the background. It's super loud right now. But we are up about almost 40 plus pips right now in the trade. Estamos en ganancias más de 40 pips casi en este trade. Damn, it hit my... How did it hit your stops, bro? Damn, it hit my stops, which is break even, and then flew. At least I hit and secured... Oh, okay. So it hit your stops, which is break even, and then it flew, but you secured 1%. That's good, bro. As long as you secure 1%, that's a winning trade, bro. Even if you don't secure anything, right? As long as you don't lose, it's a winning trade, because in a market where 90% of traders lose money, being break even is a blessing. Being break even is a winning day. 7 more likes to hit 20 likes. TP, let's smash through that. Let's go. I don't hear it. Okay, perfect. Oh my god, we're flying. We're up about... let's go. We're up about 42 pips in profit, 45 pips in profit, 45 pips en ganancia. Y estamos volando. We are flying. Beautiful trade, guys. It's been an amazing morning. Let's hit TP2, guys, on the live stream. Let's go. Very volatile morning, but I like it. And yeah, dollar's melting. It didn't even do the retest that I thought it was gonna do. Just kept pushing down. El dólar se está derritiendo, que es inverso al oro. So, todo lo que haga el DXY o lo que haga el dólar americano es lo contrario a lo que va a hacer el oro. So, si el dólar americano está bajando, el oro va a estar subiendo. Son inversos, hacen lo contrario. Esa es parte de mi estrategia también. Es una de las confluencias que uso para indicarme para dónde va el precio. Si el dólar va para abajo, el oro va a seguir subiendo, y eso es lo que estamos haciendo ahora mismo. El oro está subiendo. So, let's go. We had 30 viewers in the live stream. Let's go. Once we hit TP2, guys, what I recommend for you guys to do is move your stops to TP1. Therefore, you know, you're securing profits if we do get a retracement or push back down. Pero sí, por ahora los live streams y la educación que tengo en YouTube va a ser en inglés. Yo estoy seguro que pueden translate it, pueden convertir el audio o leer los subtítulos o poner subtítulos en español. Pero más adelante también voy a hacer live streams y videos en español también. Pero por ahora son en inglés. You don't hear it. Alright, good. I mean, the noise stopped already, but yeah, it was super loud. They're working in my backyard, and they were like pickaxing the ground, so it was like very loud. Did the chat freeze, or you guys aren't talking? We're playing around TP1 again. We are still flying. I started trading a few months ago, but I mainly been studying support and resistance trading. I have no mentor, just YouTube. I'm up 10% in paper trading in 1 week. That's amazing, bro. Congrats. 10% up in a week is good. Just remember to maintain proper risk management, and don't let your losses hurt you too much, right? You know, keep your losses short, 1%, 2%, and then let your winners run and, you know, be obviously bigger, and you achieve that with a positive risk to reward. Your breakout strategy is looking great. What do you recommend for learning to trade your style? Well, I mean, you can learn from me. Like I said, this strategy that I use is my own strategy. I created it, and there is literally no YouTube video explaining exactly how I trade, since it's a confluence-based strategy that I've developed over time. You know, not only am I looking for breakouts, but I'm looking for 4 other confluences that I use, since my strategy basically uses 5 confluences. You put those 5 confluences or those 5 confirmations together, and you develop what I call the outbreak strategy, which is a strategy that I use to trade on the live streams. So I mean, you got to learn from me if you want to obviously learn this strategy. But there's a lot of YouTube videos out there for free. There's a lot of free education. You can learn how to trade breakouts from other traders, but they're not going to trade the same type of breakouts that I trade. Most of them are probably just going to tell you to enter without a candle confirmation, or by looking at the 5-minute, or by looking at any time frames. And there's just more rules into it, right? It's not just entering off of a breakout. If you've been in my live streams, you can tell and see that I don't just enter off of a breakout. I look at multiple other things. I look at the inverse correlation that gold has with the DXY. I look at trend. I look at my SMAs, right? I look at multiple different things. I don't just enter a trade based off of one little confirmation, which is the breakout, right? So that's why I say that, you know, if you want to learn this strategy, there's no better person to learn it from other than the creator of the strategy, you know? What time for the Discord? Later again at 11 a.m. I will be doing the Discord. It's gonna be a 30-minute to an hour call where I'm gonna be teaching and educating you guys. Do you have tutorials? I have one-on-one mentorships, bro. You know, you can go in the description below and apply for one. Yeah, I'm in your free Telegram, but I want to learn the skill. Great. I do, like I was telling Adrian, or no, I was telling Jeremy, I think it was, right? Or Nico. I do weekly Zoom calls for my VIP signal room where I teach and communicate with you guys and engage, right? So, I mean, you can tap in with the VIP signal room. It's pretty cheap. You know, it's a pretty affordable price compared to a lot of other signal rooms out there. It's only $70 a month. You join the wait list. You know, you wait till you get accepted. And, you know, you can benefit off of a huge community and a great strategy, and obviously one-on-one communication with me for just $70 a month. You know, really affordable price. The one-on-one mentorship is a little bit more pricey, obviously, since it's a whole month of Zoom calls with me. I'll also be sending you a 50+ video course that I have exclusively for the one-on-one students, and then you'll also have access 24/7 with me, so you can just send me a message, I'll reply, and you know, if you send me a chart breakdown or whatever, you know, I'll look into it as well, right? So, what prop firm do you recommend, Kev? I seen a couple days at Julio's house. I live in. What prop firm you recommend? I seen you a couple days at Julio's. I live in front. Nice. Prop firms that I recommend. I don't recommend any since I'm not an affiliate or ambassador for any prop firms. But if I do tell you that there's one good prop firm to use, I would use FTMO. It's the one that's been the longest. It's been out the longest. The only bad thing about FTMO is that they're no longer accepting US clients. So you got to be careful when picking a prop firm. Now, if you want to go the regulated side and go with something that you know 100% will pay you out, there's one called Top Step, but it's for futures. Now, it's almost the same thing. The only thing is that we trade Forex, and Top Step is a futures prop firm, but you can also trade gold on Top Step, right? It's just not the same margin levels or leverage that the Forex market has. But Top Step is great because it's regulated in the US and it's a futures prop firm. FTMO is amazing. It pays out. It's just it's not allowing US customers right now. And then two prop firms that I can say are good, just be careful with them and do more research, is Rocket 21 and the Funded Trader. Those two prop firms, I've heard really good things about them. I've heard that they pay out their students. Just I would do more research on them due to the fact that they're not regulated and they're still accepting US customers, right? And I've had a lot of students getting payouts from them. So I mean, you can do your research on those two prop firms. But FTMO for sure, Top Step for sure, and then Rocket and the Funded Trader are pretty good. How many students do you take in a time? So I usually only work with 3 to 4 students per month on the one-on-ones, since I like giving them my all and I love you know, focusing up on them. But obviously on the calls it's gonna be me and you, and then I just have different calls scheduled throughout the day with those one-on-one students. But in a month I would only take 3 to 4 students, no more than that, since I like to focus on those students. Yeah, I had FTMO, but they don't take US. That's why I'm trying to pick a new one. Yeah, I have FTMO too. If you still have an active challenge, an active account that you had funded, you can still trade on it. Just you can't buy on your challenge. Funded Next is pretty good too. I've heard good things about Funded Next. I can't tell you off of experience. Everything I say, guys, is based off of experience and things that I've seen, right? I've heard good things about them, but I'm not gonna recommend them because I've never used them, right? And I don't have any students that have gotten payouts from Funded Next. But you know, if you have seen payouts from them and you see that they're good, sure, go and use them, right? I just can't recommend you something that I haven't seen work. Up 2% this week. Let's go. What is your prediction on Fed decisions? What do you mean by that? Do you mean Fed decisions on fundamental analysis and news, or Fed decisions on regulations like the SEC with prop firms and trading? What do you mean by that? But we are flying, guys. We're about 40 plus pips in profit. It's been a phenomenal morning, guys. No drawdown whatsoever. We just kept pushing up. DXY is losing a little bit of strength. Obviously, we would want to get a candle breakout below this level in the 30-minute time frame, so in the next 4 minutes, so that then gold could keep pushing up. Just got home. Damn, I missed this beautiful trade. Yeah, man. The trade happened very quick. I hate when that happens. It's okay, man. You know, there's always going to be another opportunity in the markets. Don't stress it. Just hop on the live stream again tomorrow and try coming a little bit earlier. Don't FOMO into anything. You know, this trade already happened. It already passed. You know, just come back tomorrow, right? It's all good. It's still very early in the morning. It's only 9 a.m., right? NYSE hasn't even opened. NYSE opens at 9:30. So, you know, a lot can still happen from now to 9:30 or 11 a.m. Now, I do think that we're going to continue flying up in that same direction. And we're probably just going to target or, you know, target level. Create some equal highs up here, since that's where gold is trying to head. And remember what I tell you guys, market moves from zone to zone. So, you know, if we did break this prior zone up down here, where's the next zone that the market's going to hit? Well, it's going to hit this zone up here. So, I mean, that's what's going to happen. I got a late entry today, broke even, caught a better entry at 2041 plus 1% for the day. Not bad. Amazing day, man. You won. Be grateful. You know, I'm sure there's a lot of other people that are not on the live stream trading by themselves that they lost, right? So I had to take my kids to school, bro. It ain't easy. Yeah, man. You know, sometimes you gotta sacrifice, but, you know, family first. And then trading. And also, don't trade and drive. It's terrible. We're up 45 pips in profit. Almost 50 pips in profit, guys. 47 pips in profit. $47 pips in profit. Who's been tapping into the live stream since day one? Let me know, guys, in the chat. Let me know who's been here for some time. Or is it your first time hopping on stream? Let me know, guys, in the chat. I want to see where you guys are at. Whether you've been here for some time or it's your first time hopping on the live stream. We're up 45 pips in profit. 30M candle is about to close in 1 minute. Ten seconds for the 30-minute candle. Second time, amazing. Been in here consistently and plan to tune in every live stream. Great, love it, man. Day one, missed 1 or 2 days. Amazing. Day one and everyone. Great. All right, candle closed. We're gonna continue pushing up. Beautiful. 45 plus % profit. DXY also closed below those lows. Beautiful, guys. We're gonna keep melting on the DXY and we're gonna keep pushing up on gold. And everyone, I watch you before I go to work. I just sip coffee and take notes. That's amazing. That's how it should be. Before I hop on the live streams, I also take my coffee. And that's one thing we have in common. And we both go and dive into the markets. Great morning, guys. 30M candle closed, 15-minute candle closed. We're gonna continue flying up. I cut half, still in though. Amazing. We might hit TP2 on live. We're up 50 plus pips. We're up 50 pips, guys. 10 more pips and we hit TP2. We're up 51 pips. We were up 51 pips. ¿Con cuánto capital operas, Kevin? Si se puede saber, claro. Yo opero con cuentas diferentes. Opero con una cuenta real y una cuenta de prop firm. Recomiendo, si no tienes más de $10,000, que operes en una cuenta de prop firm de fondeo y no una cuenta real. Para operar en una cuenta real, necesitas más de $10,000. No recomiendo tradear con menos de $10,000 en una cuenta real. This would have passed my challenge today. Yep. I mean, you can still pass it tomorrow. $50 plus pips in profit, guys. $51 pips, 9 more pips, and we hit TP2. Also, guys, NYC just opened at 9:30, so we should get that New York volume right now, and that should push gold to TP2. Oh my God, 55 pips in profit, 56 pips in profit, 57 pips in profit, 3 more pips. Let's go. $57 pips in profit. We're about to smack TP2 and 1 pip away. Let's go. 1 pip away. Come on. Ha, we are 59 pips in profit. And we're 1 pip away from hitting TP2. We're 59 pips in profit. And TP hit, guys. TP2 hit. 60 plus pips secured on live stream. Let's go, guys. Amazing morning, guys. TP2 just has been hit. for 60 plus pips, risking 2%. We would have been up, you would have been up 6%, guys, you know, if you entered this trade. We're up 6% on live. You know, that just tells you that if you would have entered this trade, risking accordingly, like I always let you guys know, you could have easily almost passed a prop firm challenge, more than half on this live, right? So big W's in the chat. We just smacked TP2 for 60 plus pips. I'm not gonna stay on live for TP3 since that's another 30 plus pips away. But you know, super successful morning, guys. TP2 was hit for 60 plus pips. A lot of you guys made money. Big W's were in the chat. So I appreciate all of you guys who joined. Again, live stream schedule is Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays at the same time, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I trade gold for about an hour to an hour and a half. I also educate you guys. So make sure to tune in, watch the live stream, subscribe, like if you haven't already. If you guys want more information or want to join my VIP room, link in the description below. Los horarios de los live streams son todas las mañanas, martes, miércoles y jueves a las 8:30 todas las mañanas. Hago lives por una hora y media y tradeo el oro todas las mañanas. So, aprecio a todas las personas que entraron al live. I appreciate all you guys who joined y los veo mañana. I'll see you all tomorrow. Let's go, guys.